hold up. Get right with you, I'ma get right with you. Bad bitches, fuck up, then dismiss it. Bang. I ain't really here to take no pictures.
Barely even see me over the wheel. Me thinking that I was tall, you can barely see me over the wheel. What is going on? Ooh. But yeah, I think it's just because this wheel is kind of high. Michael, why are you shook? No, trust me, you're gonna love it. Like, Michael's been loving cars since he was young, and he practically already knows how to drive. He just never actually put it into practice. And today he's gonna get some practice after I do mine, obviously. Because obviously I have a provisional, so I should have brought it actually. Wait, I think I did bring my provisional. Yeah, guys, let me show you, because I was really saying I have my provisional, but I didn't actually show the channel. Like, I didn't show the channel. My details should probably be closed off, but yeah, here's my provisional, guys. Wait, should I leave it here while I'm driving? Do you think it'll work? Do you think it'll fall? Because I low-key think it's gonna fall.
Yeah.
Yes.
Yeah, I think so.
Let me put on some Vaseline. Ooh. Oh. Okay. Right. I was just thinking. You know, apparently, you can like teach me, like, and I could go get the test with you teaching me. Apparently I don't need an instructor. I thought that it was like mandatory that you had to have at least like a few lessons with an instructor before you do the test, but apparently you can just do it without having... Yeah. Oh, I thought you needed like an instructor first.
No, thanks for yeah, to get more experience.
Yeah. Oh.
Thanks for no virtual 30 shot. Okay, exams now. Brief in difference of man.
Okay.
She said, who drive, who control, BBR, come out. Which me acquire testing without instructor.
Oh. I really thought we had to pay for a whole instructor.
10, yeah. We sang about back road and on the eye and
next to this thing.
Slow down. So,
yeah.
Don't say.
Yeah. Oh, actually, yes, actually, not that nice. So I should do that the next time we come round. Oh, so guys, me and Emmanuel just went hair shop. I got braided hair because I needed it. He bought a do-rag and he's putting it on. Oh my gosh. Flipping out. And now I'm just gonna go run some errands because you gotta do what you gotta do. Now when I go home, I'm probably gonna film me like doing my hair. I don't know if that's gonna be a separate video or if I'm gonna add that into the vlog. Do you think? Yeah, because then, you know, content, yeah, like a chit chat, you know, do my braids vibe. Yeah, I'm gonna do that. And I'm trying knotless. trying is the key word because attempting is really the key word because I've never done it, and at this point I don't have that much time to be doing so. Oh, not him using the camera to put it on. But yeah, that's the tea. That's the update. Oh yeah, and I'm going back to school on Monday. What is this live? What is this live? He goes back on Wednesday. I go back to school on Monday, and it's just like I don't know about excited. I'm ready to go, but like, huh?
You're not ready.
Okay, just leave me alone.
You're not ready.
Just mentally I'm ready. Work-wise I'm not ready. Work-wise I'm not ready, but mentally I'm ready to go. Like, but
Yeah,
mentally I'm ready to go. But if you look at all like my work that I have to do, then you would say I'm not ready. We're just gonna ignore that because that's just negative energy and we don't need it in our lives. Huh?
Where are we going?
Where am I? What?
Where are we going?
Where are we going? Should we go Audi first? Okay, Audi first. Where do you need to go?
Asda.
Okay, cool. We'll go Audi and then we'll go Asda there.
Okay.
So guys, tell me well, me and Emmanuel just casually talking and walking, just got our little groceries. And then we see some little girl, she's like there looking at us. And she turns her head. And it's a white girl, by the way. Sis has...
She has box braids.
She has box braids. She has box braids. And sis looks like she's 6. I can't take this seriously. I can't take anything seriously. Why does she keep on looking back? Like, sis. Once again, I'm about to get off. It was fun while it lasted.
Since when did you get off after the
No, but I get off the stop after.
So you're not getting off.
Just say goodbye. Just say goodbye. Oh, honestly. Just does the most for no reason. Bye, mate. So guys, I'm about to leave Shan's house. I came here to do my nails. Cute. Say hi to the vlog. I came here to do my nails. I've got a cramp in my leg.
Guys, when the collection's out, go buy this. Okay. 1 second, guys.
And she done my nails, you know, just a cute little look for back to school.
1 second vlog, I'm coming back. Hey guys, back with a video. So this is Be Crowned clothing and the collection is coming out soon. So you need to buy men's and women's, unisex, all of that. Guys, Be Crowned clothing, don't forget. Guys, Big Cakes by A on Instagram.
Oh yeah, guys, get at her. Mother's Day is coming up, so make it orders.
Today is actually so mad. Let me take my mask off.
Here's Victoria. She don't want to be in the last vlog, but she's in this one.
No.
Yes, you are.
Oh, hostility in the morning. Don't really like that. So guys, today Bernice has her EPQ presentation. Everybody wish her luck. Praise to the Most High. Right there.
Oh.
That was funny though, you can't lie. If you put my lashes off, I'm a fight your ass.
Oh my God.
Yeah, you know last time they blocked that out and I thought I was gonna get kidnapped. I swear to God.
Guys.
Hold up. Get right with you. I'ma get right with you. Bad bitches fuck up, then dismiss 'em.